just rushing in, you know, you just get that adrenaline when you ride, you know, it's just you controlling the bike.
It's like freedom, dude. Freestyle motocross is freedom to be who you want to be on and off your bike.
Just weird. I haven't played any other sport or, you know, done anything other than that makes you feel like that.
I don't know. Our sport's just sick.
Freestyle is about pretty much being yourself and being open, and I think it's brought a lot of life to motocross.
There's a handful of us that kind of made this thing happen.
My dream since I was a little kid was obviously to be a racer at first, but a bigger picture was I just want to ride my bike. That's it.
I used to race motocross, supercross, and outdoor nationals. It's not as fun as being able to go and watch your buddy ride for 90 seconds and pump the crowd up. That's what freestyle motocross is all about.
Racing was fun, yeah, but I don't really miss it. I'm getting paid to do what I love doing, riding dirt bikes.
You can tell at the end of the day when you're done riding how happy it makes you, how happy it makes your boy. You can look at your boy. The next day he wants to come back and ride again. That's why we do ride. Because of the way it makes us feel.
The last thing I wanted to see was, you know, what everyone thought was going to happen, and it's just a fad, and once Hart and Metzger and you know, Deegan, everyone's gone, then there's going to be nothing left of the sport.
These old feelings make I think, these old feelings make I drink, these old feelings keep the time ticking away.
I like Drake McElroy. I mean, the kid's got super smooth style.
There's always something in my head telling me I should be dead. Then I realize that this time's ticking away.
McElroy knows how to ride his bike. You can tell he used to ride tracks.
Come on now, say, you got a friend in me. Turn to me now, we'll make it somehow. Time's on something, I won't let you down.
Got real good pop right off the lips, so he gets full extension of all his tricks. Every time I've seen him ride and do a run, I don't ever seen him really make a mistake. He's always on point.
I think it's good, man. All the new kids coming up. I mean, it's you know, it's just the new breed.
That kid, fucking Nate Adams. That kid's.
These old feelings make I think, these old feelings make I drink, these old feelings keep the time ticking away.
Dane Kennard from Australia, he's got an awesome style.
I feel strong in what I say, never sell you the wrong way. These old feelings, they will never go away.
Who's your daddy, Renner?
Come on now, say, hey, you got a friend in me.
You know, these kids that are 18 years old that have their whole future ahead of them, it's going to be serious in the next, you know, 3 to 4 years.